Avyayaya Namaha. So, that which is born goes through various modifications. Birth, growth, disease, decay, death. The modifications. That which is unborn, body is born. See the modifications. Adult, then modified to child. How many weeks is still the baby? When the newborn baby is born, very difficult for me to carry. They tell Swamiji, please carry the baby. I said, no, I can't carry this because the neck and all I can't hold properly because I know my neck situation. I don't want to give that neck to my small baby. I said, I'll sit like this, you put it on my lap and then I can hold it, you take the picture and immediately take it. But first put a big quilt on my lap. Isn't it? Because even if the child does 1, 2, 3 and all, I don't mind. And I'll hold the quilt and all like that and keep it like that and take the picture and take it. Because I don't know how to hold. And that body modifies. And I see Rakshasas. Isn't it? I mean, nice Rakshasas. Bhasmasuras. Bhasmasura means whatever they touch, Bhasma. In the summer camp, they come. All Bhasmasuras. And I tell the Bhasmasura story and all. But the real fact, even though I tell, they think it's all, Swamiji is ridiculing us. No. Bhasmasura is, that's why I'm revealing to you. I will not tell them that. Let them think it is bad. Then only they will try to control. Bhasmasura is none other than our own intellect. Our intellect is Bhasmasura. Because what did Bhasmasura want? The power. He wanted the power to burn everything. Whatever he touches must become calcium, carbon, phosphorus. That's what he wanted. Whatever I touch should turn to ash. What does our intellect want? Before that, I was in one of my members' home and their son, a teenager, he must be 15 years. So still he has some love and respect for me. So he asked me, Swamiji, would you like to listen to my favorite CD? I said, yeah, I like to listen. Because he asked. So I told him, can you give me the lyrics also? Because if I don't see the lyrics, I can't understand. Oh, someday I have the lyrics. He even immediately on his iPhone, he brought out the lyrics and gave his own iPhone to me. What a trust. Not for keepsake, just for borrowing. And I was saying that the lyrics are so beautiful. And I heard the song. That I want to fly, something like that song. Very beautiful song. Because of the lyrics I could understand. I said, I like this song very much. Really, I like it, I said. This is your favorite? He said, yes, Swamiji, this is my favorite. And I said, now it has become my favorite too. Swamiji, you like it? I said, yeah. Then Swamiji, I'll burn it. I said, just because I like it, why you want to burn it? I understood that what burn it means. Like we burn everything. Holy, holy. Burn it. So I told him, because I said I like it, you want to burn it. Why are you so? You hate me or what? Because whatever dress I wear, teenager, if he has that, he burns that. Because they will think, oh, Swamiji aa gaya. So then he said, he understood my level of understanding in the CD world. So he understood, Swamiji, when I say I will burn it for you means, I meant that I'll make a copy for you. Oh, copy? Why didn't you say copy? No, so in the CD we say we burn it. Just as in the CD you say burn it. Our intellect also wants to burn everything in its understanding. That's called burning. Burn it, burn the idea, burn the concept in my understanding. So that is Bhasmasura. And that intellect wants to burn even Shiva in its understanding. So he runs after Shiva. This running after Shiva is contemplation, meditation. In that running, what happens? When they are running, live telecast, Shiva running, Bhasmasura chasing, CNN, all that live news telecast. And Lord Narayana, it was going to Vaikuntha also. And Lord Narayana, as usual, lying on the snake bed, and you're saying, Lakshmi, देखो तेरा भाई देख कैसे भाग रहा है. Look at your bro, how is he running? Your bro is running. Any wife, recently married or any, if her brother is criticized, especially by her husband, finished. Isn't it? So the husband dare not tell anything against Sala, even though he is a Sala. Dare not. She said, you are criticizing my brother? Let me call the lawyer. And lawyer is Narada. Narada is much worse. Even when he comes itself, a problem comes. If he does, you call him, definitely more he can problem shoot. So he's Narayana said, no, I'm going right now. Immediately Narayana jumps out of the snake bed and energizes in front of Lord Shiva. And they have a, what do you call? Kuspus. That is not revealed. We don't know what they are talking. And then Shiva goes, and because Shiva is running faster than Bhasmasura, because he was doing tapas. In the tapas he became a little weak and all. Shiva is very energetic, so he's faster than Bhasmasura. So Shiva ran fast, so Shiva and Vishnu discuss. And then when there's a mountain, when the mountain bend, Bhasmasura is taking a bend at the mountain, Vishnu appears in front of Bhasmasura as Mohini, the cheerleader type. With all the bonbons and all. And when Bhasmasura saw her, he forgot everything. He forgot the chase. Imagine the football players and all, if they forget playing football. I hope they don't forget. Isn't it? So, anyway, Bhasmasura, but these cheerleaders are not like Mohini. They will not be fascinated. So, when Bhasma saw her, he said, oh, you are so beautiful, so nice. Will you marry me? And she also said, oh, you are so cute. What's your name? At the time he got the title already, Bhasmasura. So immediately bon, B for something beautiful, all that she did. And when Bhasma, will you marry me? He said, I'll marry you. But if you can, because I made a vow, my father also told me that whoever can dance like you, you can marry. So if you can dance like me, I can marry you. Means dance to my tunes. You think that nowadays only, Swamiji, my wife asked me to dance to her tunes. It started then, from Mohini onwards. So Bhasmasura immediately agreed, oh, I will do it. And he started the dance. Mohini Attam is called. And the dance went on and on, and he totally forgot. And the last posture, she did like that. And he also did like that. And immediately, that story is so fascinating. But the idea is what? When the intellect is running after Shiva to burn it in its understanding. This is more important. You are fascinated by the story. Now come real, this is the point. You don't miss this. Think. When the intellect is running after that Shiva Tattva, the consciousness, to burn it in its understanding, at that time, Vishnu is the representative of Sattva Guna. Vishnu, Sattvic. So the intellect becomes very, very Sattvic. When the intellect is dancing to the tune of Sattva, in its contemplation, meditation, at the peak of Sattva, the intellect is burnt, and what remains is the tattva. From sattva, the peak of sattva, transcending to tattva. This is what is hinted through the story. Story is fascinating, but somewhere the link was not given. Why the story is told? We stopped at the story. Child, I didn't tell any of the child this one. I told only you. Isn't it? So that with an expectation that you are Bhasmasuras now. Your intellect is in hot chase to that consciousness, Shiva. In the seat of meditation, on the seat of meditation, at the seat of meditation, you are chasing that. And the peak, when that chase is very sattvic, it is not an extroverted chase. It's a divine chase. Sattvic mood is developed. So peak of sattva transforms to tattva. That's what we should. So when that is aja, and what you're conscious of is born, that which is born has modifications. Body modifies, mind modifies, intellect, your ideals also modify. Before, when you came here, you were a Democrat. Then once you became a millionaire and billionaire, Republican. See how the modifies. Values change. You know? Ideals change. So all modifications and change are here. That which illumines all the changes. To know the change, there must be a changeless knower, knowing the change. That changeless knower is Avyayaya Namaha. Avyaya. No moment to moment change also. No birth, no growth. No birth, therefore no growth. No growth, therefore no disease. No disease, therefore no decay. No decay, therefore the next word also will come. Abhinashine Namaha. No death. See how beautiful each name. So it's all contemplating to turn at. So my intellect must become Bhasmasura. Turning its attention to the subtle, the subtlest consciousness. This running, this chasing is at the seat of meditation. So, Godspeed in that chase. May Vishnu, Mohini appear in front of us. Mohini means, don't imagine a damsel, sattvic mood. Peak of sattva. Peak of sattva means quietest, alertest, and vigilantest. I don't know whether such words are there. Quiet, alert, vigilant to the peak. Then our BMI itself will transform. The dreamer as though chasing the waker. As though. And when the dreamer meets the waker, what happens? When the dreamer meets the waker, the dreamer dies. The dreamer dies to become the waker. That is the secret. Om Avyayaya Namaha.